Hey guys, I'm working on my truck underneath the carport because my shop is full of race cars. Sitting here, as you can see, I got the caliper off of it. Just now got the caliper off. It is hot as a dickens. I'm going to put a new wheel bearing on it. I've put one on this already, but I ordered this thing off of Amazon, and let me tell you, it lasted about 30 miles. I hit a pothole and it instantly went to grinding when I hit a pothole with it. So as you can see, it's still shiny, still looks brand new. That's because it's only about a month and a half old, maybe 2 months old, and it is hot out here. As you can see, I'll probably wipe sweat, but anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit more on this and see if I can't get this off and get this other one going back on it. I use the impact everywhere I can, guys. I used to use ratchet, but hey, it just comes off quicker. So that's the way I see it. That's hot. I just come in from going getting parts. Whew, that's too hot to handle. Yeah. I found a socket. 15 millimeter holds the hub on. Right. That ain't gonna work. Get an extension here. Got a wrench. It is tight. I guess I tightened them up pretty good. Like I say, they've only been on there about a month. Okay. That one. Gotta pull that one with a wrench, guys. Will not. I don't have a wiggle socket, so. That helps to see. Alright. Had my neighbor show up. Had to talk to them for a second. But you got to get this out. This little clip up here on top, I don't know what you can see. This little clip right here. There's a little clip right there. I don't think I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna have to set y'all down. There it goes. Right. Got another one right there. It just pops out. Like that. One over here. All right, then it's a matter of undoing this one up in here. If I can get to it. You can't really see it very good. there. Right there it is. All right, that's ready to come out. You set y'all back down. We'll put this caliper back up here. Just that easy. All right. Brand new part. Out of the box. Take the dust shield. Run your wire back through it. There's your part. I'll do this somehow one-handed. That don't go through there. It goes through up here. I don't know what I was thinking there. And just a matter of lining it up. Now. Wow. Sometimes they're hard to get started. I know it was last time. Alright, I shut it off there for just a second so I could kind of see what was going on. I got them lined up, got them started. Everything's in line now. Take my wire, pop that back in, put that over that, back in there. Put this back up in there. I'll just leave that hang until I get this brake caliper back on. Okay, just double checking everything. Okay, got that. Caliper bracket. This little piece came out of it a while ago. Just snaps back in. Gotta get my rotor on. Still hot. Very. That is. That one. This is one of the things that was designed a little better on these trucks. Was that. This is my 05 Chevrolet truck, if you're wondering. And yeah, I probably need new brake pads, but At least got a little bit of life left in them. At least they're going to have. Anybody know what I'm talking about there? Anybody know what I'm talking about? Gotta make some. We might have to go back to the old ways, folks, where they made things work and last for a lot longer than they do now. Come on, get on there. That. Now I'm going to get up in here. I'm going to tie my clip back together for my ABS. Pop that in there. Right in there somewhere. If I can feel for it. I can't see it. Oh, clip broke off. Well, it's going to have to work, guys. Just the way it's going to have to work. Without me getting on up in there and more. I can't get in there right now. Anyway, there it is. It's fixed. Do that. Now then, it'll work right there. That's how you put wheel bearing on an 05 Chevrolet truck. This only took me about 15 minutes. So, as you can see, this wheel bearing, you can see how shiny it still is. It lets you know that that's how good Amazon wheel bearings are. I don't know where it come from, but it'll probably be fine enough for me to do if I needed to make a spindle or something in the shop, it'd be fine for that. But as far as putting on the truck, it's got a growl to it, and I'm not going to do that. So, but what I am going to do, I'm going to knock these studs out, and I'm going to put them in that new race car trailer, and y'all will get to see that. All right, I'm all black, but I'm not blue. All right, Outfits Garage here saying, God bless you. We'll see you later.